The lockdown in India has brought most modes of public transport to a standstill, but few exceptions remain. Authorities ensure that international flights are evacuating foreign nationals and cargo flights are bringing in essential equipment needed to fight COVID-19. Our correspondent Siddharth brings us this report from the Chennai International Airport.
Nearly 40 days, that is starting the 25th of March until 3rd of May, India is under a complete lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. This also means that the operations of domestic and international aircraft have been completely suspended. The only exception to this are cargo aircraft that are coming into India and also flying out of here. Over the last 3 weeks, that is during the first phase of the lockdown, several repatriation flights have taken place. We are currently at the Chennai International Airport, and from this very airport, there have been over 14 flights that have taken off, repatriation flights and evacuation flights that are carrying foreign nationals to their respective foreign countries. This goes on to show that despite the lockdown, the government has been coordinating closely with foreign countries to ensure the repatriation of foreign nationals who've been working and staying in India. Almost 2,100 foreign nationals and their families have been repatriated so far, and more repatriation flights are expected over the next couple of days. Besides this, there have also been several cargo aircraft, over 40 of them that have been coming into Chennai International Airport over the last 3 weeks, and these are carrying precious cargo. Some of them are carrying medical equipment and PPE kits, and some of them also carry crucial electronic components that go into the making of ventilators, defibrillators, and other life-saving equipment. Well, Tamil Nadu itself as a state has been seeing a sudden dip in coronavirus cases. The average over the last couple of weeks have been over 60 to 80 cases, but now the average over the last 3 days has dropped to around 30 cases. The state has a total of 1,267 cases, which includes 180 people who've recovered and also 15 casualties to this deadly pandemic. This goes on to show that the figures may slightly improve over the days and over the coming weeks because the government's efforts seem to be bearing fruit given the way the figures have turned out the last 3 days. From Chennai, this is Siddharth MP. Beyond World is One.